Sometimes you want to create a stunning motion graphics or something like that for your video editing or VFX projects, but you don't have so much time to create that particular effect, or you don't have any creative idea. In that situation, you can use creative resources such as templates, PNG images, background, illustration, videos, and sound effects. By using these resources, you can save you lots of time and efforts. So in this video, I will be talking about the amazing website pikbest.com. So this is Vikas from Skyline Motions, and without any further ado, let's jump into the website and have a look. So this is the pikbest.com, which is my personal favorite website, and here you can download anything whatever you want. So we have lots of different category, which is the templates, PNG images, backgrounds, illustration, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, video, sound effects, music, and many more. So let's quickly click on the templates. So as you can see, we have lots of different templates for Photoshop and Illustrator. So if you want to download something for social media, you can click on the social media category and you will get all the things related to the social media. So as you can see, we have the food poster, the birthday poster, the fitness poster. You can download the Photoshop PSD file and customize it by yourself. So if you want to download the fitness, you can click on this one. You will jump into the new page, and here you can download the PSD file by clicking on this button. So it's very simple to download. Now you can browse anything whatever you want. So we have lots of different poster over here. We have the browser as well, business card. So let's click on the business card, and here we have the birthday card as well, the business card, and the wedding card. All right. So now let's jump into another category, which is the PNG images. So you can download the PNG images from here as well. If you want any PNG images, you can search over here and download any PNG images just like that and use it in your video project. Now let's go to the another category, which is the backgrounds. So here we have lots of different background. You can browse by category. So if you want to download the black background, you can click on the black. You can get the background related to the black color. You can use any background and create your stunning graphics design. All right, now let's go to the another category, which is the illustration. So here we have the lots of illustration just like this, and all the illustration is looking absolutely fantastic. Now just go to the video category, which is my personal favorite category. So click on the video category, and inside of the video you will get the After Effects project file, Cinema 4D, Video Studio, ADS. You can download the template for Premiere Pro, location shoot videos, short videos, motion graphics, background, advertising video, and many more. So if you want to download any background for your DaVinci Resolve project, you can simply click on the background and download any background that you like. So here we have lots of different background. You can download the sci-fi background, the particles type of background, and you can use this background in your motion graphics project and create your stunning motion graphics or video project by using these backgrounds. Now let's go to the another category, which is the After Effects. So if you click on the After Effects tab, you will get the After Effects templates. So here we have lots of different After Effects templates. Each and every element is looking absolutely fantastic. So if you want to use this a template, you can simply click on this template. You will jump on the another page, which is looking like this, and here you can download the AEP. It means After Effects project file. You can download any kind of template from here. Let me quickly use one of the elements. So what we have to do, let's go to the background, and inside of the background let's download any background. So just click on the next page. All right, so this background is looking absolutely perfect. So let's download this background. So click on the download button and you will jump on the next page, or you can click on the start. So here our video background is now downloading. The video background is downloaded now, so just go to the folder, open the download section, and here this is the background. Right click on that, click on extract, and here we have the background folder. So this is the fluid particle, and here we have the background, and let's use the background inside of DaVinci Resolve. So let's open the DaVinci Resolve software. Let's create a new project. Just go to the edit page, go to the media pool, right click on that, click on import media. Let's select that background. So this is the fluid particle. Let's select the fluid particle background, click on open. I want to click on the change button. Now just drag and drop the fluid particle background on the timeline. I'm going to create a quickly text animation on this background. So it's very simple again. Just go to the media pool, right click on that, click on new fusion composition. Let's call it fusion. Duration, make it 5 seconds long, click on create. Now let's drag and drop the fusion composition on the timeline and just go to the fusion page, and here let's add a simple text. So click on the single viewer, drag and drop the text node on the flow window, drag and drop to the viewer, and here you can type anything, whatever you want, and select your favorite font style first. So I'm going to use this lemon milk font style. Let's set it to light. Let's increase the tracking amount just like that. You can set the tracking amount 1.5. Let's animate very quickly. So just go to the end of this animation, right click on tracking, click on animate, and let's increase the tracking amount value maybe 1.75. Go to very first frame of this animation. Let's decrease the tracking amount and set the value maybe 1.4, and then we have to attach the text with the media out, and then you can go to the edit page. Let's cut out the extra part, simply dragging like this, and now text animation is ready for render. All right, it's looking nice. So as you can see, we have lots of creative things to download and use in this website, and I hope you like it. If you like it, then you can redeem 7 days free trial of this website and download anything, whatever you want. You can find the link in the description, and that is it for now. I hope you like this video. My name is Vikash and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.